Apple TV Plus Captions. Apple TV Plus provides closed captions and subtitles for a wide range of content, ensuring accessibility for viewers who are deaf, hard of hearing, or watching in a different language. Captions can be customized to enhance readability and match user preferences. Enabling captions on Apple TV Plus devices. Captions can be turned on through the Apple TV app on various devices, including iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple TV, and smart TVs. Users can activate captions by selecting the subtitles and audio option while watching content. Customizing caption settings. Apple allows users to adjust the font, style, size, and color of captions for better visibility. Caption settings can be modified through the Accessibility section in Device Settings. Languages and availability. Apple TV Plus provides subtitles in multiple languages, depending on the content and region. Some titles include closed captions, CC for English and other major languages. Using captions on different devices. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Subtitles and Captioning to enable and customize captions. On Mac, open System Preferences, then Accessibility, then Captions to modify caption settings. On Apple TV, navigate to Settings, then Accessibility, then Subtitles and Captioning to enable and adjust captions. On smart TVs and streaming devices, captions can be accessed via the playback menu while streaming content. Live captions for Apple TV Plus. Some Apple devices support live captions, which provide real-time text for spoken dialogue during streaming. This feature is useful for accessibility and clarity when watching content in noisy environments. Subtitle, sync issues and fixes. If captions appear out of sync, restarting the app or device can resolve minor playback issues. Users can also check for software updates to ensure optimal performance. Captions for downloaded content. Apple TV Plus allows subtitles for offline viewing when content is downloaded. Users should ensure captions are selected before downloading to retain subtitle options. Voice command accessibility. Siri can be used to enable or disable captions by saying, "Turn on subtitles" or "Turn off subtitles" during playback. This feature enhances hands-free accessibility for Apple TV and other Apple devices. Apple TV Plus provides a flexible and user-friendly captioning system, ensuring viewers can enjoy content with clear subtitles across multiple devices and languages.